Hi, Chris from Screen Medic. Out here at a porch that we converted from a screen porch to a porch Expanse windows. These windows are fantastic. They can span up to 6 feet wide, 8 feet tall. These windows right here, for perspective, are right around 5.5 feet wide. As you can see on the top and the bottom is glass there, so it's tempered glass. Very easy to clean. They have 2 large panes that actually meet in the middle. So you can see the ones that are actually in the open position have screen on the top and screen to the bottom. These allow the airflow to come through the top and out the bottom and vice versa. So it gives it a nice open air feel. Well, you're still looking through glass when you're sitting down, enjoying a meal or hanging out with your friends. You're not looking through screen entirely, but you still get that breeze. So when the windows are closed, all you get is one horizontal line across, even in that big 6-foot spans. And then when it's open, you just have a horizontal line at the top and the bottom that just break it up just nice in perspective. So it doesn't add any extra horizontal lines or extra vertical lines that are kind of in your way of your view, so you get a full view out. So here we are from the inside of the porch. As you can see the whole backyard nice and open with just a minimal amount of extra horizontal line in the middle there. With this porch, they just have the 2 sides open and the rear side closed. Still has plenty of breeze. It's just as breezy in here as it would be if it was a full-on porch, just with that circulation effect. And then when it gets cold out, you can button them up, or if it rains, you can button them up and keep all the debris and rain and snow out of the porch. So now we're able to open it when we want to, close it when we need to. And just to operate this window, I'll show you on one of these here. This is a smaller window. It's really easy. So I'm barely pushing on this window to get it to close. And then when we open it, there's just a tiny little lock here to make sure that we open it back up. And with a little bit of force, very easy. It's just as easy on one of these larger ones to open up. And a few last features I want to show you about these windows. We can make small transoms. We can also make them into shapes like triangles or trapezoids. And then lastly, on this porch, as you can see, we're not high up off the ground, but these porch windows do pass code for railing because it's made of glass tempered at the bottom. And so we have the option for you to be able to put an angel lock in there, so that will allow you to not need railing with these windows. So if we can help you convert your porch or install these porch windows into a new construction, please give us a call, text us, email us, or find us on the website. We'd love to help you out.